Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Ubisoft account is active and matches the console profile. This prevents account conflicts. Once signed in on PC, open Ubisoft Connect or Account Management immediately and go to the Linked Accounts section. Make sure the console is signed into its platform account and running Rainbow Six Siege so it can produce a platform link or verification prompt. Begin the link process on PC now. This initiates the exchange that lets the two accounts recognize each other. Once done with initial steps, pick the exact platform you want to link and proceed. Choosing the wrong platform blocks progress. You may be asked to enter a short code shown on the console or to accept a connection prompt in-game. Type or accept that on PC promptly. After confirmation, enable any cross-progression or sync options presented so progression, skins, and stats transfer correctly. Finally, allow the client to process changes and restart Ubisoft Connect or the game to finalize account mapping. To finish, relaunch Rainbow Six Siege on PC and check that your operators, skins, and progress appear. This proves the link completed successfully. If some items are missing, verify your privacy and sharing settings on both the Ubisoft account and the console profile, then force a client restart to reload cloud data. If linking fails, unlink and relink the platform or clear the Ubisoft Connect cache, and ensure both accounts use the same email. These steps resolve most sync and authorization errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.